Hi, I'm Dr. Prasad, and I work here at Digestive Health Specialist. We live in a time when history is being made, and COVID-19 has provided challenges for us that nobody was expecting or prepared for. Were suddenly finding that they were confined to their own homes and having to provide social distance learning. Suddenly, people were laid off, and people had suffered with the idea of how to financially support their families. This provided a lot of stress. Currently, we're dealing with the financial ramifications where people are trying to recover from the effects of COVID 19. During this, it's easy to kind of fall into unhealthy habits where you're sitting at home and watching Netflix and eating all the most delicious foods. But what's important to understand is at some point the effects of COVID 19 will dissipate. But what we're doing to ourselves and our bodies can have long-standing effects. So it's important right now, as easy as it is because of the stress, to want to just sit at home and, as the kids say, veg out. It's important to try and at least moderately try to live a healthy lifestyle. It could be, you don't have to go out and run a marathon, but we are lucky enough to live in the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains. Go for a hike. We've got Pilot Mountain, Hanging Rock, or it could just be as simple as getting up in the morning and starting your day with a nice walk. You can go with a loved one, but just get out there. That's important for you physically and emotionally and mentally to get out there. Foods, luckily it's summertime. It's kind of started around springtime, and we've got lots of fresh vegetables and fruits available for us out there. Although there is a shortage of other supplies, so it's important to, at this time, especially when we're finding that we are cooking at home, to try and find things that are appealing to us, but also that are healthy and good for us. You can have your carbohydrates, but maybe implement some healthier options too, like fresh fruits and vegetables into your diet. So it's just important physically and mentally not to allow this time to have long-standing effects.